of the constitution of this bench to hear these three specific files. And that is the issue that we want to address even before we go to the application for recusal. Because it's our humble view, Your Lordship, that the so-called empowerment of this bench to hear these specific files is itself unconstitutional. By the reading of Article 165, Clause 4, it is our reading that the only person who has the capacity to empanel a bench is a Chief Justice. So we want to urge this court to perhaps interpret for us whether the Deputy Chief Justice can empanel a bench. Number two, Your Lordship, is where did the Chief Justice get the authority to empanel the bench? Was the Chief Justice present? Why did the Chief Justice execute her functions and her mandate under Article 165 Clause 4? What was the necessity of the delegation of this function? Those are pertinent issues, Your Lordship, that requires clarification before we go to the root of the matter, the crux of the matter. It's our submissions, Your Lordship, that the Chief Justice, who is exercising delegated powers, cannot further delegate the Deputy Chief Justice. That is why the Constitution is in white and black, that the obligations and the duty belongs to the Chief Justice. Finally, Your Lordship, the reason why we find ourselves in this situation is because of what the court is struggling to explain to us. That three files have graciously generated expediency, and other files that were consolidated, that 6 file with the lead file 522, have no reasons why they should be before you. Noting that, Your Lordship, those matters were equally satisfied as urgent and raising heavy constitutional matters. When I looked at your orders, Your Lordship, that you issued to some on us today, you repeated the same, that they raise weighty constitutional matters. Why are we being discriminated by the court that our files are not considered as a priority, and that the files with orders are the only ones that the court is sitting on a Saturday? The Chief Justice is empaneling, the Deputy Chief Justice is empaneling the bench. We are called, like in a lightning speed, to appear before you. Is it not because there are some orders that the state wants to vacate? You cannot run away from that reality, Your Lordship, most respectfully.
My Lord, with your kind permission, for the record, Dr. Kamoto for the fifth respondent in Israel. I believe the reason we are here and the reason why we took forum is because we